Have you ever heard of babies passing away out of nowhere in their sleep? I know hearing this might scare you, but this same problem has been going on for a long time now and has been the leading cause of babies passing away. This ongoing problem has had almost 2,000 babies a year passing away in their sleep with no known cause that are between the ages of 1 month to a year old. There have been some studies done that have found that when babies share a bed with their parents, sleep on soft beds, and are wearing too much clothes when sleeping to be some causes, but smoking or drinking might also be considered a cause. It turns out that in fact some studies found that parents drinking and smoking while carrying a child or after having a baby is a huge cause to this problem. A doctor who does studies about babies passing away in their sleep was able to see that mothers who were smoking and drinking while carrying a baby was a big cause to SIDS. Smoking alone was a cause, but drinking on the other hand was also a cause when it was together with sharing a bed, smoking, and so on. Now, what the mothers are drinking are drinks that they should not be putting into their bodies while carrying a child, since it could maybe even cause many different problems when the baby arrives. Studies also show that up to 20.7 cases of babies dying could have not happened if women had not smoked while carrying a child. Also, when it comes to smoking, not just when the mother smokes, but also when the father smokes can be a cause for these babies. Some ways in which one can maybe help a child from passing away in their sleep are to never use a bed cover that seems not safe for the baby, by not putting too much clothes on the baby when it is sleeping, using a hard bed, by leaving nothing but only the bed and cover, keeping the baby in the same room as the parents but not sleeping on the same bed, keeping a smoke-free area around the baby, and also no drinking when carrying a baby or during care. Even though smoking and drinking were found to be some of the causes to babies passing away in their sleep, further studies are needed to see how exactly both smoking and drinking play a part in these babies dying. These further studies could help many parents in finding different ways to stop this from happening. A lot of the times, this is new to soon-to-be parents, so we must show them these different ways so no other babies go through the same problem. This is a problem that has been going around for a few years already, and if parents now or soon-to-be parents do not pay attention to what could happen to their own child, then the problem will never get any better. There are many babies who sadly have passed away due to this problem, so we must always spread awareness on this issue and hope for the better.